What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and it is Florida winter right now. It's a little bit cold, but the ride should be running good. Normally we start off our update over at the storage lot, but I promise you there was nothing exciting over there, just dirt. But hopefully there's some progress inside the park. Let's go! Despite it being the holiday season, there was no way to get in through security or through the front entrance, and we're on our way inside the park. The tree and all the decorations are still up, but only for a little while longer, so if you want to see SeaWorld's Christmas celebration and Three Kings, get here soon. So yeah, it's a good day to ride Manta, and we have some folks, some familiar folks, from Ohio Valley Coasters, and they're about to take a ride on Manta right now. Well, it was my turn to ride, and we are here again with Ohio Valley Coasters, about to do Manta back row. This should be a little bit fun. It's a little cold though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little cold.
Yeah, it's a little cold, so we're about to catch a ride right now. Let's go.
Let's do it.
What did you think?
It was pretty good. We rode Superman yesterday, and 6 over Georgia. It was much better.
Okay. What did you think, honestly?
The principal like makes me cough because I'm like.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys heard us during the video. It was it's crazy in the back, but always a good ride on Manta. Awesome. Time now for a little Kraken Unleashed. Manta was running good. Hopefully Kraken is doing the same. just had a fun ride on Kraken, and check this out, guys. We now have the covering in place over the transfer table. So this is all complete, and it is keeping the train and VR system protected during the hot summer days or during the rain. Yeah, it's all wrapped up. For extra safety, we do have a fire suppression system also installed right here underneath the covering. There's something else we need to talk about with Kraken Unleashed, and this one's a bit different. The normal height restriction is 54 inches, and that is still the height restriction, but in order to do VR, you have to be 58 inches tall now. Hello there, Sky Tower. Hopefully you're open today. Let's go check. And indeed it is. It is open.
Welcome aboard SeaWorld Sky Tower. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's time for your VIP view of SeaWorld. As you take your interaction is a big part of the
And here we go, guys. This is our view of Infinity Falls. I apologize, it's a little bit dark, but we can see some work on the ground there. Area for the trough and the lift hill. And a lot of concrete's in place now. So from about 2 weeks ago, big changes at least. This, ladies and gentlemen, right here is the line for Mako, over 60 minutes long. And there's not a lot to talk about when it comes to Infinity Falls, and unfortunately it's too dark to really show you anything else with the construction site, but we do have a new piece of equipment right here, and we can see that clearly. Well, guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando construction update for Infinity Falls and anything else that was happening to go on inside the park. I'm really happy to say that Kraken finally has that shed, and the Christmas season is just about to wrap up. So again, if you have not been here, you need to get here soon if you want to see all the lights. We do have Three Kings Day coming up very soon, and that event is going on through January 6th. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.